The PA5 has been a staple in eSwitch's industrial push-button series for many years now. There's a reason why people keep coming back. This power push-button switch is durable, robust and economical with an easily customized actuator with snap-in or flat actuator styles. This switch can be mounted as a rear or lateral panel mounted switch. The PA5 is available in 2 high power rating options and was specifically engineered for use as a foot switch, although depending on your final application should be up to the task of most push button functions. Another great feature of the PA5 is the choice in termination style. Tab, solder and PCB pins are available in different sizes and orientations. The switch also comes with 4 different functions, including 1 and 2 pole options, as well as momentary and latching styles. The main body of the switch is made up of a polyimide and PBT, resulting in a switch able to withstand temperatures of -20 degrees Celsius all the way up to a scorching 125 degrees Celsius. This, paired with a life cycle rating of 10,000 cycles, makes this switch an excellent choice for applications within the following industries: large-scale production and manufacturing, industrial controls, and healthcare equipment. For more information on the PA5 or any other push-button products, head over to our website at eswitch.com to view and download all spec and data sheets. Thanks for watching.